All right, guys, we had a good haul today. I think we did 2-3 weeks worth of game hunting in one morning. It's our flea market finds today, man. You can see we got lots of NES, so I'll let Lauren go through it all.
Okay, so this one guy we normally buy from, he recently got in like a big lot of new stuff, so we were able to get a lot of stuff that we needed. So we got 16 games for 150 bucks. We got Urban Champion, Heavy Barrel, Krusty's Funhouse, Commando, Hide Glide, Tetris 2, The Legend of Cage. Some of these I don't know too much about. We got Star Wars, Empire Strikes Back, Little Nemo, Solstice, Codename Viper. So we got some good stuff from Capcom.
Yeah.
Gauntlet, Solar Jetman, Vindicators, Skull Crossbone, and Ren and Stimpy.
That was all from the one guy, right?
Yep.
That was from one guy.
Yep, from the one dude.
For 130, right, for that. And then the rest of this
150
for everything, right?
No, it was 150 for all our NES for all our games.
Oh.
16, we got 16
Yeah,
games.
16 NESs for 150. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then we got a wee Pitfall,
We
right?
got Pitfall and Alien Syndrome for $5.
Yeah.
Together, which is good.
And then I got robbed for my Ataris.
Yeah, he's
not robbed. I spent $3 a piece.
Yeah.
And we got a free Jurassic Park too.
Yeah, and then we got a copy of complete box Space Invaders.
Yes, that was from our other guy that we get most of our box.
Stuff, all our box
and then these guys are for our new crawler theme that we're working on. Maybe you guys can figure that out. That's going to be coming up too. We're going to turn the MN90 into something. So anyways, yeah, so for the Ataris we got Keystone Capers, Joust, Chopper Command. Those ones are kind of rare ones. And then we got some regular ones, so we did all right. Those ones I'm sure we did all right. Did you get a total on what these are worth?
No, I didn't have time. So I can add them up now, then I can put it in after.
Yeah, we'll add it and put it in because I think we did good. I think it's good to know what we got for the haul versus the price we paid. So, but yeah, we did real good today. I think that's our wad though for a couple weeks. Mm-hmm. We're way over budget. Ha!
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you guys dig. We'll get some gameplay on this real soon. We'll have an NES night to go to town.
We'll have a couple NES nights.
Yeah, there'll be lots of good footage coming out there for all my video game guys. Hope you guys dig. All right, well, we figured we'd talk prices now that we got digested all this crap we bought. So I'll let Lauren. Well, how'd we do?
Okay, so we did good on everything. We didn't lose any money.
Yeah.
The games we spent $150 on, so all these NES and the one Super Nintendo. We spent $150 on price chart. According to price charting, they go for $192, so we're good.
Yeah,
42 bucks.
Yeah.
This, I spent $5 on both. Together, they're worth $25.
Oh, that's a good deal.
The Alien Syndrome's worth $14, and the Pitfall's worth like $11.
And we paid $5 for both, $250 a piece.
Yeah,
that was a deal today.
Yeah. Space Invaders, we spent $10. It goes for like $14, so that's good.
Yeah, in the box.
Yeah, and the Ataris we spent $25 on. They go for about $41.
Yeah,
altogether.
But these ones were $9, right? These three.
This one was $9. This one was like $7. No, this one was like $7. This one was like $9. This one was like $6.
All right, and that's a double, right? So.
Yeah, and then the rest of these were like $3.
All right, so and we paid $3 a piece, so those ones we broke even. So, any zingers in here that are worth a lot of money?
The ones that are worth the most are like the Stone Crossbones. The manual alone was like $10. So
really?
You threw in a $10 manual.
That's crazy.
So
and that was at the end. He just said, "Hey, look."
Yeah, so this is worth like $20 with the manual.
Awesome. That's awesome.
The Empire Strikes Back goes for like $24.
Yeah, he gave us a good deal on that.
Same with Krusty's Funhouse is around like the $15
so
to $20.
Those three games are worth $60-80 right there.
The Heavy Barrel goes for like $15.
Yeah.
The Gauntlet goes to like $12. It's the harder to get version. It's
instead of the Tangan one.
Yeah.
It's the official one. So cool. All right. Well, we figured we'd give you a little synopsis of how we did. So we not as good as all the time, but the ones we made good on were these. The rest of them we kind of just broke even, right? These ones were here.
We saved $40.
Yeah, but we made
we saved money on everything. It's all
no, I know. You know what I mean. Price chart's a good pricing game too. Like it's not like eBay prices.
Well, price charting's just the median, so it's not the highest.
It's the middle.
It's
so
the middle.
We could have
So we paid like low end on.
Yes, we paid low end on all of it.
Because we paid on average. We got 16 for 150. We paid on average like $10 a piece.
Yeah, we did good. We did real good. So we got plenty of games to play.
The best find was the Alien Syndrome for $2.50.
That was the deal this century. And I'm real happy about Joust too.
Yeah, we didn't have Joust yet. So
No, that's perfect because we have it on almost everything else, even the 5200, even though we don't have it.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's all we got. That's all we're doing. That's a short one. See what I see you.